Jack. Welcome to Walking with William. How are you doing today? Yep, you've managed to find Walking with William on TikTok, where I walk for 35 minutes, go live, and ramble. This is my wake up. I get up, take care of body functions, and then I come to the gym and work out. I can't eat before I work out, otherwise it makes me sick, so I come work out 35 minutes, get the blood flowing, get everything up and moving, and then I'm awake for the rest of the day. So I understand trying to get up and get moving. I started about 4 years ago, but last year, well not last year, 2023, I had a medical episode that I spent 3 days in the hospital, and I had to restart working out, but it took nearly a year for me to restart, so I restarted about August of 2024, but I've only been logging my live TikToks since the beginning of 2025, and only been logging my walks for 46 days, give or take. But in that time, I've managed to lose 10 pounds. My heart rate is generally in the 70s for a resting heart rate. Today it was a little high in the 80s. But generally, you know, you get stuff like your heart rate and your cardiovascular system and your oxygen intake and everything straight, and the pounds will fall off if you're going for a physical appearance. I'm actually going more for a healthy inside, you know, because I do weigh 280 pounds. You know, I've never looked super ripped or anything, so you just got to get up and get moving. You have a good day at work. Take it easy, Jack. Good morning, Lizard. Welcome to Walking with William. Nice to have met you too, Jack. Okay, this is Walking with William. Like I say, it's the 22nd, I think, 23rd of January 2025. This is day 46 of Walking with William. Day 17 of being live on TikTok. But day 52 of this routine of walking. So, I started off with a heart rate of 84, which is up about 8 or 10 from yesterday. So it is a little higher than normal, but this workout will help with that. I'm pushing 50 years old, and I weigh 280 pounds, and I'm about 6 feet tall. So, we're at a 4-degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour, 113 beats per minute, 55 calories expended. We have left to go 28 minutes, 40 seconds, and we've gone 0.3 miles. So, all in all, we've been at this now for about 6.5 minutes. So, again, this is a 35-minute live. I know very few people join me during my live. Because I'm pretty boring. I'll say it. I'm pretty boring. But if you ask questions, I will attempt to answer them if it's not sexual or political. Good morning, Malik. Welcome to Walking with William. Feel free to chat. I can't respond in a direct message right now because, hey, I'm walking with William. So, but you can talk on here, or I'll respond to a direct message chat. I don't know how to do that, Malik, and so I'm nearly 50 years old, and if it weren't for a live button, I probably wouldn't even be on TikTok live, because it's just one button. You know, I got to figure out how to do joining live chats and getting others to join, but I don't know how to do that yet. So, good morning, Bear. Good morning, everyone else who has joined. Welcome to Walking with William. We are at a 0-degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour, 108 heartbeats per minute, 26 minutes, 26 seconds left to go. We've gone 0.41 miles and expended 75 calories. So, again, this is streaming on TikTok Live, and I'm not too tech savvy on it right now. If it weren't for the one button to go live, I probably wouldn't know how to go live. So if you're going to make requests, you're going to have to give me a chance to figure out how to do it on someone else's live first, because I don't know how. You know, you feel free to direct message me if you got questions. But that's all there is to it. It is, let me say, the 23rd of January, It is 17 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 8 degrees Celsius. I'm in the gym. I'm walking for my 35 minutes today. Again, my gym membership means that I have no excuse that it's cold outside, or it's hot outside, or it's raining outside, or windy, or there's bugs, or it's dark. I have a 24-hour access gym that I can come to for about $1.10 a day, and that means I have no excuses. So, this is Walking with William, and I encourage anyone to get up and move, and in so doing, log it. Just log it into a book. I don't care if it's a workout log or a notebook or whatever. You just log it. It's 60 seconds. That's all you think you can do. Do that, but be consistent. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 35 like myself, but be consistent. And in order to be consistent for myself, I log it, and that helps me track aspects of my physiology outside of weight. And I say this because it took about 40-50 days before I saw any significant weight loss. I know I've been losing weight, but at the same time I've been gaining, I've been losing fat but gaining muscle. In certain times that means that they're going at the same speed. Good morning, Carlos. How you doing, dude? So again, scales are great for a more long-term way to understand how you're managing, but short-term stuff like your heart rate, your speed, the incline on a treadmill. Like today I was at 0 degree incline, but tomorrow I move up to a 5 degree incline. That's a beautiful thing. That's all there is to it. Is start small. You can always increase, but if you hurt yourself because you tried to do too much, you may decide never to do it again. So start small, build it up. You'll get there. It's all good. We are at a 4 degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour, 114 beats per minute, 109 calories expended. Let's see. 21 minutes, 55 seconds left to go. We've gone 0.63 miles. And I'm breathing a little heavier, as some of you may notice, and that's in part because even though I'm only going 2.9 miles an hour, when normal walking speed is closer to 3.2, I'm talking at the same time. So, yeah, my legs are moving a little slower, but I'm still burning energy in trying to talk. So, that's what I say. You come out, you come walking with William, and we'll do what we can. There's not a lot to it, but you keep moving. That's the whole point. That's all I'm trying to tell you. Just keep moving. I don't care what it is. If you get up and you wave your arms for 60 seconds, that's a movement that you didn't do yesterday. And you do that every day. Next thing you know, you're waving your arms for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That's what the Walking with William is. You just get up and you get moving. Okay, we've went up through a 6-degree incline. We're back down to a 4-degree incline. 2.9 miles an hour. 118 beats per minute. A little high, but that's okay. I knew it would be today with my resting heart rate being a little high. So we're good. We've got 19 minutes, 55 seconds left to go. We've gone 0.72 miles and expended 133 calories. So we started at 35 minutes. We're down about 19:30. So that's 15 minutes, give or take. And we've done 3/4 of a mile. That's not bad. That's a good thing. You know, like I say, we just keep moving, keep seeing what we can, and we'll do what we can. Again, I know I'm pretty boring sitting here talking to you, but even boring, we do what we can. That way, when it's all said and done, your heart rate, your cardiovascular system, your air intake, the oxygen getting to the blood, everything is a good thing. And at the end of the workout, most people, some people are different, but most people end up with a endorphin and dopamine boost to the brain and everything. So you get a happier feeling, you get a feeling of accomplishment, and it's all good. So that's what I say. We'll just keep moving. We are at a 1-degree incline now, 2.9 miles an hour, 114 beats per minute, 17 minutes, 56 seconds left to go, and we've gone 0.82 miles. So we're just a few seconds shy of being halfway done, because the halfway mark for this is 17:30, and we're at 17:40. So we're almost there. You can do it. Just keep walking, keep moving. Again, this is Walking with William, but you don't have to walk. You can actually hula hoop or anything that you think might be good for you. Thank you, Acid. That's a beautiful rose. How are you today? Again, we just keep moving. There's nothing special about me or my lives. I think the most views I've had on a live is like 80 in a 35-minute period. So I'm not doing this for financial gain or anything. I'm doing this because I get a little bored because I'm sitting on a treadmill looking out a window, watching cars go by, and there's nothing for me to do except let my mind wander. But going live here means my mind gets to wander in a certain direction instead of something over here or something over here that has nothing to do with nothing. You know, because most of the time, stray thoughts like that, I don't have a chance to jot down or anything, and I forget them. So, alright, we've went down past a 0-degree incline. We're back up to a 1-degree incline. This Cybex treadmill has a set. It goes 0 to up to 6, down to 0, up to 6, down to 0. We've completed 2 complete revolutions of that. We're going up again For the third time, like I say, it's a 1 degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour. We've 117 beats per minute, 15 minutes, 9 seconds left to go. We've expended 1.70 calories, and we've gone 0.97 miles. So we're just shy of a cool mile. And like I say, it's not necessarily about how far you go, how big of an incline, how fast. It's that you're getting up and doing something. So that's all there is to it. You get up and you move. Yep. As long as we're getting up and moving, we're doing good. And again, my live feeds are not that spectacular. You know, I often sit with only one viewer or no viewers, but I'm talking, keeping my heart rate up, keep talking, keep rambling, and then at the end of my workout of 35 minutes into a 35-minute live, I will log it and we will call it a day. Good morning, Rosie. Welcome to Walking with William. And she's gone. Okay. It happens. So, good morning, Jaden. Welcome to Walking with William. Gone again. So, that's my lot. That's my life. I sit here and I talk because I can. I used to have a workout buddy, but life got in their way, so they're off taking care of that. So I have nothing to talk to or anything. I just get up and move, because if you do it for someone else, you'll quit. But if you do it for you, it's more likely that you'll have the persistence and consistency to keep going. That's all there is to it. We just keep going. Yep. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're up to a 6-degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour. I'm up to 119 beats per minute. 12 minutes, 23 seconds left to go. 195 calories expended. Deep breath, keep moving, and we have gone 1.1 miles. So, we're doing good. You know, we're over halfway. We're 20 plus minutes into it, into our 35 minutes. Actually, how far are we into it? You know, we've got about 11 minutes, we'll say 12 minutes left to go. 35 minus 12 is what? 35 minus 12, 5 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2, so we've gone 23 minutes into the 35-minute workout. So we're easily 2/3 in. And like I say, 17 and a half minutes is the 50% mark. We've well exceeded that. And we just keep going. We're at a 4-degree or 2-degree incline now. 2.9 miles an hour. 117 beats per minute. Some deep breaths in, keep moving. We have 10 minutes, 41 seconds left to go, and we've gone 1.17 miles. So, again, we just keep moving and enjoying everything, and we'll do what we can. You know, This is a really slow live I'm doing because I just get to ramble to myself. I don't even get to say hi or talk to very many people because there's no one joining me. And that's okay. That's called life. We get out and we do what we can. I will say this, later today, after I've completed this Walking with William live, I will copy the whole video over to Walking with William on YouTube. If you want to walk with me there and listen to me talk. And it's nothing spectacular, but we can do it. You know, I try to be motivational. You know, again, I'm a 280-pound guy out moving for 35 minutes. You know, you can come with me and move for 35 minutes or 5 minutes or a minute. It doesn't matter. If I'm your inspiration, that's okay. You know, I'm a bigger guy. I'm not a trainer. I'm not out to sell you something. I'm just here to encourage you and myself to keep moving. It's all good. That's all there is to it. We are now at a 0-degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour, 114 heart rate beats per minute. We have 8 minutes, 26 seconds left to go, and we've done 1.28 miles and 230 calories. So, again, welcome to Walking with William. I'm not very inspirational, but I try my best, and if I can do it at nearly 50 and way overweight, because my optimum weight is under 200, according to science and everything, but I weigh 280 now, down from 290, and it's all because we're moving. That's all there is to it. We just keep moving. Yeah. See, as long as you keep moving, you'll be fine. Welcome to Walking with William, where we just keep moving and keep walking. Again, it's great for your heart, your overall cardiovascular, your breathing, your oxygen intake. The oxygen that gets into your blood is all good for you. Eventually, if you just keep moving, the body, the fat in it will decrease. But the main point of this is you get fit. And by getting fit, that doesn't necessarily mean that, oh, I've got a beach body. No, that means I've got stamina. I've got a heart rate cardiovascular system that works well. So, we have completed 3 rotations from 0 degrees up to 6, back down to 0. We've done that 3 times. We're entering the 4th time at a 1-degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour, 6 minutes, 24 seconds left to go, 244 calories expended, 116 heart rate beats per minute, and we have gone 1.39 miles. And we've got just about 6 minutes left to go of this workout and this live. So, you can do it. That's all you gotta do is get up and move for 5 minutes. And it's a beautiful thing. Like I say, you get up, you move. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Again, today my blood pressure is up a little higher than normal. My resting heart rate started at 84 instead of 76. So that's correlating over into my walking blood pressure being up a little higher. You know, going up to the highest I've seen it so far is 120, where normally it's 112, 113. But I'm exceeding that today, but I'm moving. That may be partly what I ate yesterday or the day before. You know, it all adds up and it all subtracts. We just keep moving. We're at a 4-degree incline, 2.9 miles an hour, 117 beats per minute. We've got 4 minutes, 40 seconds left to go. We've gone 1.47 miles and expended 260 calories. Hello, Blacklist. How you doing? Welcome to Walking with William. This is a rough one, but at the end, we log it and we call it a day. And I use a workout log. You can use something as easy for you as a notebook. But if you log your statistics, you'll understand your progress and stuff, everything so much better. Thank you, Blacklist. I'm keeping going. I've got about 3 minutes left to go, maybe a little longer than that. And we're good. We're up to a 6-degree incline now, 2.9 miles an hour, 126 beats per minute. Woo! That's high for me, but that's good. Sometimes that doesn't hurt. We're at 3 minutes, 26 seconds left to go. 1.53 miles done. We've got 273 calories expended, and I am black. This is day 43 or 44 of logging it, but it's like day 53 or somewhere around there of doing it. And like I say, start small, 5 minutes a day. I'm up to 35 minutes a day, but if you start small, you can always go up without hurting yourself. But if you try too much too fast, you'll hurt yourself, and you may decide you never want to do any workout again. Oh, it hurt. Well, it's supposed to hurt a little, but nothing excessive. You know, like, I'm a little winded, my legs are a little tired. It's coming to the end of my workout, but that's a good hurt. You know, it's nothing bad. We're down to a 4-degree incline, 2 minutes, 9 seconds left to go. 123 beats a minute, 2.9 miles an hour. And there's the 2-minute cool down. I'm going to bring it back up to 2.9 miles an hour. We've completed 1.6 miles and 289 calories. So we just keep moving, keep doing, and we'll be fine. And I say we've got 1:40 left to go. You can do this. I can do this. We're almost done. We get it done. We log it. Boom. We're done for the day. Well, not really, but we're done with our exercise for the day. Our day is just getting started, but usually we'll feel better about it, about the day in the long run. I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. I tell you what, I'm going to be a tired puppy. All right. And I'm going to stop it now because my guts say we're done. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Guts say we're done. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow.